the hell is happening right now?
Don't slip. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't get a fall.
Credit cards, IDs, American Express. Stacy.
Holy cow.
I tell you.
I mean, these? Ow. Give me my fork back. Fork you! Fork
Get the rest of my cards there, buddy.
Oh my god. You gotta try these, Sarah. Try these real quick.
What are they?
They're glasses. Walk around with those on for a little bit.